नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं हिंद आवाज मीडिया और मैं हूं आपके साथ वैशाली। आइए रुक करते हैं आज की खास खबर पर।
And splashdown, Crew 9 back on Earth.
SpaceX Freedom, splashdown. Good main release.
God.
Now, generally speaking,
And there we do see Crew 9, some happy waves, smiles all around back on Earth.
Dragon had an on-time splashdown. Looks like we're getting our next crew member here. That is none other than Sunny Williams. Big smile, big waves. She, like her other crew members, now will be assisted onto the mobility aid.
And there we have it, some waves, some thumbs up, and some smiles.
Definitely seen.
अब तक के लिए इतना ही। वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।